Welcome to the build. God's sake. 1 secondo. Shift it G. Okay, so the first part of making these lights, we're going to need to make the actual sleeves for the Nakamura CNC lathe. So essentially we make the sleeves out of Delrin bar. So we use 63.5mm Delrin round bar, and we turn this sleeve. So as you can see on here, this is the sleeve that I've previously designed already. You can see it's already written on it 35mm bar, so it's really obvious when it actually comes to picking the sleeves exactly what this bar is for. I've designed it with, so the engraving on the front, we've got a gentle chamfer on the front. I've tried to get a chamfer on the back. I'm not really sure how it's going to perform. The boring bar is going to kind of come in from the front here and come through and try and touch out the back on this face here. So we'll see how that actually works out, but you can kind of see how that's going to be on the stock. So let's go and see how it's actually getting on. So basically this is the Nakamura sleeve that was made by Hydrofeed. Actually, there's a rumour has it that there's a lady at Hydrofeed that actually hand turns this out of mild steel, and I think that's pretty cool because it's such a big piece of material. And it essentially just sits, it just glides just here and here, here and here and here and here inside the spindle and stops at this, this portion here. And it actually has sleeves in there, so we put in these little sleeves. These are the ones that originally come from Hydrofeed, and then we adapted and made our own ones. So for example, here's one that's a 10mm one that we actually built out of black Delrin, and it literally just slips in just like that. Bar goes through and it keeps it all nice and secure. So let's go see how our one's just done now. Okay, so we've got our first sleeve off the Nakamura. We're actually machining this dry, so you can kind of see that running in the background there. But we've got our 35mm facing, etc. So it looks just the same as what we've got upstairs. Now we're going to run through, and basically this is just going to just run through like that and just support it. So you imagine a few of these on there, and this is all spinning inside that, and that will work beautifully.